At 11, a person electrocuted and another shocked at a construction site in the North Lawndale neighborhood. Our Sharday Gray is live for us near Ogden at Homan. And Sharday, do we know yet if those hurt were construction workers?
Well, good morning to you, Marie. It appears this is construction workers because they were working in a bucket behind this building, which is under construction. But we do know the medical examiner's office has confirmed one person has died. We do know another person was taken to the hospital. Officers are blocking this area, the alley between Homan and Trumbull. But I do want you to take a look at your screen because this is video in the alley behind the building where the incident happened. You can see ComEd crews working to shut off power. Now, how this happened is unclear, but we do know they were working on the building, which, as we mentioned before, is under construction. Back here on scene, you can see that it is still an active scene with officers here. There are still a lot of unanswered questions. Once we do know more, we'll keep you updated. Reporting live in North Lawndale, Sharday Gray, CBS News Chicago.
Sharday, thank you for that update.